Christmas is a wonderful time of year. Families and friends gather, we share stories and delicious food. The centerpiece of many Christmas dinners is a beautiful glazed ham. It's a tradition. The smell of ham baking fills the house. It's warm and inviting. Everyone gets excited for that first bite. Sweet and savory, ham is a real treat. This year, impress your guests with our easy recipe. We're going to use maple syrup and mustard. It creates a glaze that is absolutely incredible. Let's get cooking. To create this amazing Christmas ham, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. You probably already have most of them in your kitchen. 1 whole cooked ham, about 5 pounds. Maple syrup, the good stuff, 1 cup. Dijon mustard, for a little tang, 1/4 cup. Cloves, just a pinch for warmth, 1 teaspoon, that's it. See, we told you it was easy. Now let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Time to get that ham ready. Carefully score the ham. Using a sharp knife, make shallow cuts in a diamond pattern. This helps the glaze soak in, and it makes the ham look really pretty. In a bowl, mix the maple syrup, Dijon mustard, and cloves. Whisk them together until they are smooth. This is your glaze. It's going to make your ham taste amazing. Place the ham in a roasting pan. Pour the glaze over the ham, making sure it gets into all the cuts. Now, it's ready for the oven. Bake for 1 hour, basting with the glaze every 15 minutes. Basting keeps the ham moist and delicious. You'll see a beautiful glaze forming. When the ham is done, take it out of the oven and let it rest for 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to settle, making the ham extra tender. Section 4. Serving suggestions, pairing your ham. Your delicious Christmas ham is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it with your favorite holiday sides. Mashed potatoes, roasted vegetables, and cranberry sauce are always a hit. Your guests will be asking for seconds. For a special touch, decorate the ham with pineapple rings and cherries. It looks so festive on the table. Section 5. Happy holidays from our kitchen to yours. We hope you enjoy this easy and delicious Christmas ham recipe. It's sure to become a family favorite. If you make this recipe, be sure to take a picture and share it with us online. We love seeing your creations. From our kitchen to yours, have a very happy and delicious holiday season. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. Happy cooking!